Hello everyone, today I will be looking at how to automate sales calling and texting. Kixie PowerCall and SMS is a sales automation platform designed to improve sales team productivity by simplifying and automating phone calls and text messaging. It integrates with various CRM systems like Salesforce, HubSpot, and Pipedrive, allowing users to streamline their communication with potential clients. This tutorial will guide you through using Kixie to automate sales calling and texting, making your sales process more efficient. Step 1. Sign up and log in. To begin using Kixie, visit the official website www.kixie.com. On the homepage, click the Sign Up button. You will need to enter basic information like your name, company name, email address, and password. After filling out the form, click Create Account. You will then receive a verification email to confirm your registration. Once verified, return to the website and click Login. Enter your credentials to access the Kixie dashboard. Step 2. Set up your Kixie account. After logging in, you will land on your Kixie dashboard. Here, you can configure various settings for your account. Start by adding your phone number to enable outbound calling and texting. Kixie provides you with a dedicated business phone number, or you can use your existing number. To set this up, go to the Settings section and click on Phone Numbers. You can either select a new number or port your existing number to Kixie. If you choose to port your number, follow the on-screen instructions, which involve verifying your carrier details. Once your number is set up, you can configure your voicemail greeting, business hours, and other preferences to suit your needs. Step 3. Integrate Kixie with your CRM. Kixie allows integration with several CRM systems, including Salesforce, HubSpot, Pipedrive, and others. Integrating your CRM with Kixie helps synchronize your contacts, track call data, and automate communication seamlessly. To integrate your CRM, go to the Integration section of the settings. Find your CRM from the list of supported platforms and click on it. Follow the prompts to grant Kixie access to your CRM account. Once the integration is complete, Kixie will automatically sync your CRM contacts and keep track of your call history. Step 4. Automate outbound calls. One of the main features of Kixie is its ability to automate outbound calls. Kixie uses a feature called PowerCall, which allows you to automatically dial a list of contacts without having to manually press a button for each call. To use PowerCall, first, import a list of contacts into Kixie. You can do this by either uploading in a CSV file or syncing contacts directly from your CRM. Once your contacts are loaded, select the group or list of people you want to call. Click the PowerCall button on your dashboard to start the dialing process. Kixie will automatically begin calling the numbers in your list, connecting you to the contacts as soon as they pick up. If a call goes unanswered, Kixie will leave a pre-recorded voicemail message, saving you time. You can set up call sequences to define the order in which contacts are called, as well as the timing for follow-up calls. This ensures that your team follows a structured calling process. You can also use call scripts within PowerCall to provide your team with a set of guidelines for each call, improving consistency and messaging. Step 5. Automate texting. Kixie also enables automation for text messages. With the Power Text feature, you can send personalized bulk SMS messages to your leads or clients. To set up automated texting, first, go to the Power Text section in the Kixie dashboard. You can create message templates to use for different scenarios, such as appointment reminders, follow-up messages, or promotional offers. Kixie allows you to personalize these templates by inserting placeholders for contact names, company names, and other variables. Once your templates are ready, you can schedule automated text messages to be sent at specific times. For example, you can set up a follow-up text to be sent an hour after a call or schedule reminder text for upcoming appointments. Kixie will automatically send the text based on your schedule, freeing up time for your team to focus on more important tasks. You can also use SMS workflows to set up automatic follow-up sequences. These workflows send a series of messages to a contact over a defined period. For instance, if a prospect hasn't responded to an initial message, Kixie can send a reminder or a second message automatically. Step 6. Monitor and track performance. Kixie provides detailed analytics to help you track the performance of your sales calls and text messages. You can view metrics such as call volume, connection rates, call durations, and response rates to evaluate your team's effectiveness. To access these reports, go to the Analytics section in the Kixie dashboard. Here, you'll see various reports including call performance, a breakdown of how many calls were made, how many were answered, and the average call duration. texting performance, data on how many texts were sent, the response rate, and engagement metrics. Agent performance, metrics for each team member, including call and text activity, conversion rates, and productivity levels. These reports help you identify areas for improvement and make data-driven decisions to optimize your sales process. You can also set up real-time notifications to alert you about important events such as missed calls or unread text messages. Step 7. Set up call routing and voicemail. Kixie offers advanced call routing and voicemail features to ensure that your sales team never misses an important call. You can set up call routing rules to direct calls to specific agents or teams based on certain conditions. For example, calls can be routed to an unavailable agent based on their skill set, location, or availability. To configure call routing, go to the Settings section and click on Call Routing. Here, you can create custom rules for how incoming calls should be handled. You can also configure voicemail greetings for each agent or department to ensure that callers receive professional and consistent messaging when no one is available to take their call. Kixie allows you to upload custom voicemail recordings or use the platform's text-to-speech feature to create automated greetings. Voicemail messages can be forwarded to the appropriate agent via email or text, ensuring that follow-ups are made quickly. Step 8. Use local presence for better call engagement. Kixie's local presence feature enhances your outbound calling by displaying a local area code on the recipient's caller ID. This increases the likelihood that a contact will answer the call, as they may be more inclined to pick up calls from familiar area codes. To enable local presence, go to the Settings section and select Local Presence. Kixie will automatically detect the area code of the contacts you are calling and adjust your caller ID accordingly. This feature is particularly useful for sales teams that make calls across different regions or countries. Local presence can help boost call answer rates and improve overall sales effectiveness by making your outreach appear more personalized. Step 9. Use call recording and coaching. Kixie offers call recording and coaching features for quality assurance and training. All calls are automatically recorded and can be accessed in the call history section. You can filter calls by date, agent, or contact to review and identify areas for improvement. Kixie's coaching mode allows managers to listen to live calls and provide real-time feedback to agents, helping with training and performance enhancement. Step 10. Automate follow-ups and reminders. Kixie's automation features extend beyond just calling and texting. You can set up follow-up reminders for tasks that need to be completed after a call or message. These reminders can be sent to your CRM, team members, or directly to your email. To create follow-up reminders, go to the Automation section of the dashboard. You can set rules to trigger reminders based on specific actions, such as after a call is completed or a text message is sent. This ensures that no leads are forgotten and that your sales process remains organized. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.